In this video guide, I will demonstrate how to locate a permalink so that you can access the article quickly and efficiently. So for this example, I will input information literacy in the search field, and I'll go ahead and click the search button. Next, I'll scroll over to the left-hand side, and I'll refine my search to only articles. So once I do that, I'll go ahead and click on the article that I choose. So in this case, I'll go ahead and select article number 1. And at the very top of the article, you'll see permalink. And I'll go ahead and click on that. Once you click on it, a link will come up. I'll go ahead and highlight this link, and I'll copy it. I'll open up a Word document, and I'll go ahead and paste it into the Word document so that I can go back into it quickly without conducting this search again.